Installing Dump Buddy is as easy as 3 simple steps. Set it, slide it, secure it. First, we're going to set the lower strap on the waste pipe emerging from the ground. Pull the knob just to make sure it's unlocked, then turn the knob to the left to increase the lower strap to the right size. Slip it around the waste pipe and tighten the knob to the right. Once you feel resistance on the pipe, lock it in place by pushing on the top of the knob. Place the 90-degree elbow onto the sleeve. Slide the upper strap over the elbow by enlarging it to the appropriate size by turning the knob to the left. Secure the upper strap by tightening the knob to the right. Once you feel resistance, push the knob inward to lock it in place. There is no need to over-tighten the knob.
So easy, even your husband can do it.
Hey, wait a minute. Nope, that's fair. Get yours today at dumpbuddy.com. Also available at Amazon. But isn't everything?
I'm not an actor, as you can tell.
No, that was perfectly natural.